Over 60% of people fall short on their savings goal. Are you one of those? 3 common things that happen and how we can fix each of them. The first is no clear goal. If you don't have a goal, you're gonna hit it every single time. Short term, long term, whatever that may be, can we sit down really and set some savings goals? Number 2 is inconsistent savings. We save when it's convenient. When I get that tax refund, when I get that bonus. Inconsistent savings will ruin the plan, the goal. The secret to all of this is you have to automate your savings. How do you go into your payroll company online and update your paycheck to send 20% to this other account that you kind of keep access away from yourself, so that money's just stashing away over there? And number 3 is spending without tracking. Listen, if you're trying to do this whole thing without a map, you gotta first off figure out, where am I on that map and where do I wanna go? You have to get serious about your budgeting, about your tracking, and the hardest part, you gotta be honest with yourself.